Welcome to learning class. Today we learning about Chinese language. Now get start. Introduction. What's pinyin? Pinyin is the romanization of the Chinese characters based on their pronunciation. It uses 25 letters of 26 letters of the Roman alphabet. Although it's the first time you read pinyin, you will be able to guess 50% of them correctly cause the symbols are quite the same as English.
Ma.
Pinyin, 3 parts. Generally, pinyin syllable consists of 3 parts, initial, final, and tone. Please tap to listen to each part.
Initial,
Mo.
more,
A. Ma.
Initial. In most cases, a syllable starts with an initial. There are 23 initials in Chinese.
Bo.
bo,
Po. Mo. Fo. De. Te. Ne. Le. Ge. Ke. He. Ji. Qi. Xi. Ri. Zi. Ci. Si. I. U. Zhi. Chi. Shi.
Final. The final follows the initial in a syllable. There are 35 finals, 6 are simple finals and 29 are compound finals. Simple final.
A. O. I. U. Ü.
compound final,
I. Ao. An. Ang. O. Ong. A. N. Ng. R. Yao. Yan. Yang. Ye. You. Yin. Ying. Yung. Wa. Wai. Wan. Wang. Wo. Wei. Wen. Yue. Yuan. Yun.
Tone. Chinese is a tonal language. The same syllable with a different tone has a different meaning. There are 4 tones and a neutral tone in Chinese.